In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a Facebook pixel in your Potion account. All you have to do is go in your Meta business settings, select the account or ads account that you want to use, go in the data sources and pixels, and locate your pixel ID, click on it, and it'll get copied to your dashboard, clipboard. Then go back to Potion. In your Potion account, you can go in your settings page, scroll down to find the Facebook pixel text box, and simply paste the ID here. Optionally, if you have the entire script tag of the pixel, you can paste that in here as well. Click outside the text box, and Potion will automatically save and add this Facebook pixel on all your video pages.